Hey guys, my name is Groovy Mono. I'm an artist, a fashion entrepreneur, and a model. I'm an alpha male. I see myself as the one and only. All-round entertainment from head to toe, man. Groovy is funny, Groovy is confident, Groovy is good looking. He's a hustler to the core, he's focused. Yeah, I'm bringing something special for the ladies, so I'm spicing things up this year.
My name is Beauty Etain Tukura, the 43rd Miss Nigeria, and I love shopping. If you ask my friends, they'll tell you beauty falls in love in 3 days. 3 days exact is all it takes. Am I a lover girl? Yes, I am, but who knows? You may not be getting any love on the show. The one thing about me is I will always express how I feel. There's no shutting this mouth up.
I'm Ilebaye, I'm 21 years old. I'm a fun person. I like to party. I'm a proper Gen Z at heart. Looking at me alone, I'm a baddie. I like to f*** around. I like to have fun. I like to talk with people. Like, I'll be life of the party and I'll be the person everybody will love and want to be around.
My name is Kabue. Sometimes I am controversial. I have very strong opinions on certain issues. And that's not going to change. I'm just going to be me. Yeah, I'm just going there to have fun with the ladies, especially. Although I'm married, but I'm leaving everything behind. They'll take it as a vacation for me. Then at the end of the day, they win the money.
Hi, I'm Daniela Peters. I'm 22 years old. I am a poet. I'm also an aspiring actress. I know poets are always seen as the whole reserved type, but I'm a very upbeat poet. I am very enthusiastic. I'm energetic. I like to party, have fun, and still have my time to write. I'm not going into the house looking for love, but if love does find me, who am I to resist?
My name is Xavier Akpan Ikin, a super confident 7-star pharmacist. I'm a fun person, the light of the party. I like dancing, I twerk too. Xavier is gonna be like the medicine to every madness in the house. A pinch of drama, pharmaceutical entertainment. Based on Fresh Boy with IB, we'll do 1 or 2 mingling since I'm single.
I'm Mba Chiamaka Crystal, and I am such a sweet, energetic, ambitious, fierce lady. I'll be bringing a lot of straight talks, a lot of in-between confrontations, intense lash outs sometimes.
Hey yo, they call me Unusual Fina, aka the High Priestess. Fina go, they give them vibe on top vibe. Food is an inspirational something to me. Nothing else is very important. I cannot lie. Me and person will get issue because of food. I think I'm a fighter and I doubt I'll fall in love. But depending on the breed of men we enter, those kinds of breed, that's all of Zion way of pants.
My name is Khalid Ismail Ahalu. I'm 22 years old. From Plateau State. I love anime, especially Naruto. That's my all-time favorite. I'm a skateboarder, boxer, artist, archer. I do a lot of customizations, graphic designer also. My main focus is in love. It's to set myself up, as someone who can be something better. If love happens, then so be it, but that's not my main focus.
So my name is Brian. I'm from Imo State, but I prefer Stark Boy. I make music. I will call myself a mixture of an introvert and an extrovert. One interesting thing about me, I would say, is my confidence. I'm very comfortable. It might throw people that don't have a high sense of self off. They might find me threatening. I'm a strategist, I'm an instigator, and I'm an observer. Man, I've never been in love before in my life. I'm a single Pringle, but I don't know if I'm searching.
My name is Ojumo Christiana. I'm a model, an entrepreneur. I have my business, Christio Cosmetics, and I'm also a tech lady. I just believe that we should have more women in tech, and I want tech money. When people see me, they're like, oh, this girl, she looks quiet and all of that. Maybe she just come and be sleeping or whatever. But no, sleep is not in my dictionary, right? I'm just coming to give you everything you want. When you will just see Christy everywhere, really. Love is like not really close to me right now. Who broke my heart? I never tried breakfast before. I'm just Sala.
My name is Wekete Bright. I'm a UI UX designer. I basically love everything good that life has to offer, but if I'm to pick specifics, it would be cooking, food, arts, music, movies, fashion, and going sightseeing. I am definitely going to be competitive, right?
My name is Bella Kabue. I'm 25 years old. I'm a content creator and a personal shopper. Strictly luxury. If it's not expensive, I don't want it. I could be an introvert and an extrovert. I'm a social butterfly. I like the soft life. If it stress me, I will just jabba like this.
My name's Shegs as per Shegun, so I'm obviously Yoruba. I'm a footballer and an actor. I make women fall in love. I don't know, is that a talent? Maybe it's just mine, I don't know. Yeah, I love food so much, but just because I'm a sportsman at the same time, so it's like, I can't chow too much now. Like, I have to behave myself, so it's just one of them where like...
My name is Iluka Paul Wamu. So I'm a dancer, DJ, music artist. I'm a good listener. I would say life of the party because I can't be in a party and everybody's not dancing, or even if you are dancing, you're not dancing with this babe, you're not dancing with this guy. We drag two of you together.
My name is Chumsy. I'm from Imo State. What I think will stand me out in the house is my charisma, my generosity. I'm lovable, I'm nice. My unique talent is I know how to smile and I can dance. I don't see myself getting into many fights in the house, but that doesn't mean if someone brings the fight to me, I won't give it back to them.
My name is Sala David, and I'm a medical doctor. Actually, I'm a medical radiographer, but I mean, people call us doctors, so I'm the life of the party. I bring the vibe everywhere I go. And yeah, my policy in life is, respect me and I respect you. If you don't respect me, I'm ready to give it back to you 100%. Am I going to fall in love in the house? There's a possibility. I mean, I'm a lover girl. I just need me a bad boy, that's all.
My name is Diana. I'm 33 years old. I'm Nigerian. I'm from Edo State, but I was born and raised in France, in Paris. Something that is very interesting about me, I will say, is the fact that I can speak several languages. I can speak French, I can speak English, and I can speak Spanish, and I can speak a bit of Benin also. With the money, if I win, I will definitely realize one of my biggest dreams, which is to open a skincare business in Nigeria.
My name is Adekunle. I'm a troublemaker, I'm a strategic person, and I'm a proper Lagos Island boy. I like seeing the best in people, even though people can be bad. If it happens that I do fall in love in the house, quite a number of people would actually be offended.
My name is Chinenwa Desire Famous Okwebo, but my friends call me Sweetness. Chichi is a glorified drama queen. I am bringing originality, I'm bringing my truth, and I'm bringing the real stripper vibes as an exotic dancer. If I win this money, maybe once in a year, I'll go back to the strip club where I used to work, make it rain money and, dance on the pole, let people come watch me because, stripping made me.
Hi guys, my name is Dotun. Dotun is a medical physiologist by profession who does several things on the side. Part-time personal trainer, model, great sportsman by nature. I play virtually up to 5 or 6 different kinds of sports. So I'll be bringing my sporty side to the house.
My name is Alison Aldu. I'm 25 years old. I'm a model and I also work in sales and marketing. To be honest, I'm looking forward to how I'm going to be. I know that's kind of funny because I should know myself. But I know myself to an extent, but I've never experienced this kind of thing before. I know a lot of people say they are going to be themselves. It might sound cliche, but that's exactly what I'm going to do. Because I feel like I'm a very likable person. I'm someone that people just get to like.
I'm Gideon Anitin Wawu. My hobbies are working out, traveling, reading. I like making new friends. I just like people that lie, people that don't keep to time. I have a problem with fair women. Fair girls, they used to catch my eye sharp. When I win the money, the first thing I'll do, I'll go enter shower, make water wash Sapa for the last time, first.
My name is Hemis Chiweze Ile. I am a dance artist and a sportsman. My entire individuality is informed by everything it is meant to have grown up in Lagos Street, having to struggle from uncompleted buildings to uncompleted buildings. I have found love and I'm holding on dearly to the love that I have found outside of the house with 2 partners. We have quite the loving relationship, all 3 of us. And under the template of this relationship, I'm quite allowed to find intimacy.
Africa's biggest reality show, Big Brother Naija, is back for an all-new season. Rated 18. Proudly sponsored by Pocket, by Piggyvest, and associate sponsor, Flutterwave.